Welcome back to Giggles and Gossip. I am Madhuri.
I am Dipti, and today's topic is about something which every Brit is obsessed about.
Yes.
No, not the tea. It's British
Weather.
weather.
You know, Dipti, I swear, in one single day, I have experienced all four seasons. Morning, beautiful sunshine. Afternoon, thunderstorm. And
Yes.
evening, the beautiful rainbows. And in the
agree.
night, freezing cold.
Oh,
Honestly,
I-
the
I
weather
swear.
here is like permanently confused.
You know you're a Brit when you start every conversation with weather.
And end with it. But tomorrow looks worse. Do you know, दीप्ति, मुझे ना एक बॉलीवुड का सॉन्ग याद आ रहा है. पता है क्या है? अभी अभी धूप थी यहाँ पे लो, अब बरसातों की धारा. Isn't it?
Yeah, it matches with British weather. I think who has composed this song definitely visited UK.
Yes.
Exactly. In India, when it is summer, it's summer. Here, you step out in shorts and you are drenched in by surprised rain.
Oh. And don't even start, Dipti. The umbrella. Do you know I have so many umbrellas? Now I am thinking I can open my own umbrella shop.
And yet, every time it rains suddenly, we are like, oh no, drenched in rain, why me?
Okay, Dipti. Tell me one thing honestly. Who is in your family is obsessed to check the weather app before stepping out?
My husband.
I know.
He'll be like 40% chance of rain at 2 p.m. So what do I do? क्या मैं एक हाथ में अम्ब्रेला और एक हाथ में सनग्लासेस कैरी करूं?
I know, typical British weather. Exactly. In my house, we all pretend we don't care. But I peek outside and check the weather like weather detective.
And in India,
Yeah.
monsoon means chai,
Yeah.
pakoras. But here, monsoon means wet socks and traffic jams.
And talking about heat wave, Indians in UK said, "Wow, it's summer," and British people, "It's unbearable."
Okay, listeners, let us know your funny British weather story. Oh, before that, I would like to share one mine.
Okay.
Once I went for a school pickup at 3 p.m. and I forgot to check the weather map. I went without a jacket, anything, just in my dress. The lollipop lady was standing there and she said, "Wow, where is your coat? Look
God.
up." And when I saw up, dark cloud was just on my head and within a moment, I was drenched. So we all laughed on this. Please share your funny stories.
Yes, and send us your story so we want to giggle and listen to your weather disasters too.
Yeah, all right. Whether it snows, rains, or sunshine.
One thing is guaranteed. We will be back with more giggles and gossip.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.